Let's dive into the fascinating world of compounds and clauses as objects of prepositions. You might think that the object of a preposition is just a simple noun or pronoun, but it can actually be much more complex. In fact, it can be a compound object or even a noun clause. First, let's talk about compound objects. A compound object consists of two or more nouns or pronouns that are joined together by a coordinating conjunction, like and or. For example, consider the sentence, "The pouch full of nickels and dimes weighed over a pound." Here, nickels and dimes is the compound object of the preposition of. It's not just one coin, it's two. Another great example is no one knew about the meetings, lunches, or workshops that were coming up. In this case, meetings, lunches, or workshops forms a compound object of the preposition about. Each item is important, and they're all connected by that coordinating conjunction, or. Now, let's shift gears and explore noun clauses as objects of prepositions. A noun clause is a group of words that acts as a noun within a sentence. It can serve as the object of a preposition, which might surprise you. Take the sentence, "We will work with whichever contractor comes most highly recommended." Here, whichever contractor comes most highly recommended is the noun clause acting as the object of the preposition with. It's a whole idea, not just a single word. Another example is, the soup kitchen serves food to whomever needs it. In this case, whomever needs it is the noun clause serving as the object of the preposition to. It's a complete thought that tells us exactly who is receiving the food. So, how do you identify these compound objects and noun clauses? First, look for prepositions in your sentences. Common prepositions include in, on, at, about, with, and to. Once you spot a preposition, ask yourself, what comes after it? If you see multiple nouns or pronouns connected by and or, you've found a compound object. If you encounter a clause that contains a subject and a verb, and it answers the question of who or what in relation to the preposition, you're likely looking at a noun clause. Remember, understanding these structures not only enhances your grammar skills, but also enriches your writing and speaking. So, keep an eye out for those compound objects and noun clauses in your everyday language. They add depth and clarity to your communication, making your sentences more engaging and informative.